According to meteorologists, accuracy in weather forecasting these days has become more problematic. They blame its unpredictable behavior. That's why snow in May in Moscow may surprise the public, but not the experts. As scientists explain, man and his activities are the main reasons for this.
90% of climate change is caused by the emission of greenhouse gases. The amount of these gases in the atmosphere has been growing since the Industrial Revolution in the middle of the 19th century. Concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has doubled since then, and it creates a kind of shield which results in growing temperatures.
Last month, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or IPCC, released a report saying that rising temperatures could lead to more hunger, water shortages, and extinction of flora and fauna. Some experts say to prevent these possible consequences, a common international approach is needed.
The thing is that climate has already changed and continues to change. So, one of the main things that we have to try to do is to adapt to these changes, build dams, use irrigation, etc.
Weather surprises do not leave everyday people indifferent. Constant changes on the thermometer also makes them wonder why this happens.
Of course, bad weather makes one depressed. In March we had plus 15 degrees, and now you can see what we have. I think the reason is ecological changes.
In such weather one should sit at home, having tea with lemon and honey. Recently weather changes rather often. Some talk about global warming, but maybe it's just some tricks of our life.
If the forecasts for the next 50 years are not optimistic, temperatures for the coming summer promise to be stable enough, despite snowfall this May.
Some people say our mood often depends on the weather, but sunshine in summer and raining in autumn are usual. While experts argue about global warming, people in Moscow are more concerned about dressing for the cold in the middle of spring. Olga Sardarova, Russia Today.